Welcome back to Lytical Guides. I hope we are all fine. Please, if you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe so that we have more questions together. So now, with this, fast forward, let's look for the answers. We are having 2x plus square root of x is equal to 10. Okay? So to solve this, first of all, we have to make square root of x the subject. Okay? So which is root of x is equal to 10 minus 2x. Okay, so with this, we need to eliminate this square root. So to do this, we have to square both sides. So we are going to get, now this square will cancel the square root here. So we are going to get x is equal to 10 minus 2x all squared. Okay, so our x is equal to, now we have to express this in quadratic. So I have in the same as 10 minus 2x bracket 10 minus 2x. Okay. Now x is equal to 10 times 10 is 100. 10 times 2x is 22x. 2 times 10x is minus 220x like this. Negative 2 times the negative 2x, we are going to plus 4x. Now, let's simplify this further. So you get 100 minus 40x plus 4x squared. Sorry, should be squared. Now, let's group all the items on one side, the terms on one side. So we are going to get 4x squared minus 40x minus x plus 100 is equal to 0. So our 4x squared minus 40 minus x, we are going to get 41x plus 100 is equal to 0. Okay. So with this, we will say that our a is equal to 4, our b is minus 41, and our c is 100. Now, our x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4 over a over c all over 2a. So our x is equal to 41 plus or minus square root of 40, negative 41 all squared minus 4 times 100 all on 2 multiplied by 4. So our x is equal to 41 plus or minus square root of, so negative 41 squared, we are getting 1681 minus this and this is 16 times 100, which is 1600 all over 8. Okay, so our x is equal to 41 plus or minus, now 1681 minus 1600, we are getting 81 here. That's our answer. Then square root of 81 all on 8. Now let's continue from here. 41 plus or minus square root of 81 on 8. So our x is equal to 41 plus or minus square root of 81 is 9. So that's 9 here on 8. So now our x is equal to 41 plus 9 on 8, or x is equal to 41 minus 9 on 8, like this. So our x is equal to 41 plus 9 is 50. So we get 50 on 8, or x is equal to 41 minus 9, we get 32. So 32 on 8. So further simplification, we are going to get x is equal to, now 2 goes into 50, 25 times, goes here 4 times. So get 25 on 4 or x is equal to, now with this, 8 goes into itself 1, it goes into 32 4 times. So you say that x is equal to 4. So this is our final answer for the question. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more excited and tricky questions. Bye bye.